so mad that I haven't seen her in 3 weeks that she won't even acknowledge me being in here. What, Noah? Oh, hi. Cheese it. Celia, cheese it. Too mad.
Dreaming so sweet. Dreaming to deep. Love in my sleep.
6:20 Tuesday morning. We're in Japan. I'm finally back with the family. Ah!
Yeah. Dreaming so deep. Wake me up, wake me up. Dreaming so deep. Dreaming so sweet. Dreaming to keep. Your love in my sleep.
So I'm in Japan, one of their worst heat waves. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. I look like hell. I just woke up and ran outside because I wanted to go walk around in the courtyard in the neighborhood of my in-laws' house here, because there's really nothing else like being in Japan. The look of it, the smell of it. You know, we're in just a common courtyard area here in the middle of condominium complex, and you know, it just has this Japanese flair to it. Even the way the trees are pruned. They're structurally pruned in such a way that only a Japanese arborist would prune. Maybe not only a Japanese arborist, but I mean, look at these cuts and heals and corrections that have taken place. I love it. Look at this. Look at the pruning cuts on that tree. It's wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Even down to the plant selection. This is a lot of similar, maybe a little more tropical than what we see southern United States, or at least where I live in Knoxville. But you know, lots of azaleas, lots and lots of azaleas, and it's great to see hydrangeas. These hydrangeas. Look at this. Look at this grass. No real grass. Let's see if we can walk around and try and find some grass. Like I was saying, there's just, you know, I'm in the middle of a residential area of Yokohama, a little town called Namiki, and it's just wonderful. Let's look at the pruning on these ginkgo trees. Look at that. It's pruned to have a dominant leader. Look right here. It's pruned to have one single central dominant leader. I mean, it's perfect. And this is not some landscape company that's out here doing this. This is the town. These are the cultural practices they teach for even city workers. Now look at the pruning structure on that tree. It's just fantastic. Now, granted, this is a lot of green space, considering what's going on here. Let me get across the road before I get run over. Look at this. Who knows what that is? Lantana. But there's really something special about being here, to think of how densely populated this city is. I mean, look at this apartment building. Look at this apartment building. And then look at all this green space. I mean, that is really maximizing every inch of your urban environment to cohabitate green space and living quarters. There's just nothing else like it. Hey, I found some warm season grass. Look at here. Zoysia japonica. That's exactly what that is.
Never give it up. What goes around comes around. What goes around comes. What goes around comes around. What goes around comes. What goes around comes around. What goes around comes. What goes around comes around. What goes around comes. What goes around comes around.
Found my favorite thing during my walk around this morning. This is a Japanese crepe myrtle pruned to tree form. It's not a Japanese crepe myrtle, but this is a crepe myrtle pruned to Japanese tree form. Look at this single stalk. Pruned to grow like a tree.
苦しい時もあるかもね。Never give it up. What goes around comes around. What goes around comes. What goes around comes around. What goes around comes. What goes around comes around. What goes around comes. What goes around comes around. What goes around comes. What goes around.